Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram login problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you're done that, you simply need to go into the setting, click on app management, and then you need to click on app list and search your Instagram and click on storage and cache. Then you need to click on clear storage and click on OK. Once you complete that step, you simply need to log in your Instagram account and the Instagram will work properly. But if the issue will not resolve, you simply need to go into the Play Store and search your VPN and download any VPN and enable that. So the VPN I use for my smartphone is Hotspot Shield. You can use that also. Click on connect, and after that you need to open Instagram and there is no issue in your Instagram. So by following these steps you can easily fix Instagram login problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.